Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I was at the dollar store and I saw this face mask, which I figured would be really fun to pour over. I think I can make a beautiful design, and I think the face mask will probably also help make a cool design on this canvas. So I went ahead and got it, and we're gonna do some peacock colors on here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of its packaging and get it ready. Now it does have these strings on here. I don't want to pour on that, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull these off. This is just plastic, and then I can just glue those back on when I'm done, so that we're just pouring over the mask. Now, as always, you want to think with how am I going to go ahead and lift it off of the canvas when done. So I think I'm going to go ahead and try to put some cups underneath here just to raise it up a little bit. Maybe 2. I think that will be sufficient. There we go. Okay. I'm going to center this just a little bit better. Yep, just like that. Awesome. Now, I have been in total peacock mode recently, so those are the colors I'm going to use on this. I'm using a variety of greens, blues, some gold, a little white, and some purple. Okay, so here's some turquoise, meadow green, and these are all pre-mixed pouring paints, okay guys? All materials will be in the description. Some gold, and then I'm going to use this teal. So I always like to throw in a few of the darker colors to kind of offset those. This is a darker green, Everglade green. And then we'll get in here with the purple. I have a darker blue and then a lighter blue. And I'll probably just top it off with a little bit of white. Okay. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas underneath here. So I actually need a decent amount of paint. This is probably not quite enough in the cup, so I might have to add a little bit around the sides. That's okay. Let's go ahead and go for it. Just taking care to cover every part of this mask. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and break up this blue up here with some green, and then I'll just pour the rest around. Awesome. Now I'm not super happy with that part up there, so I'm actually going to fill up my bowl with some more paint since I need more anyways. I want a little bit more of the darker colors on there. I'm liking the contrast here. And I'm going to get a little more gold in there as well. I would normally be using quite a bit more gold, but I'm actually running out. And maybe a little more turquoise. Let's try this. Okay, I like that. Awesome, so I'm gonna let that drain for a few minutes. Yeah, I'm just gonna see how much will drain off of that. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of white just around some of these edges here. Not too much. I think we actually got a decent amount of paint on there. Okay, great. Now I'll let this sit for a few minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is mostly stopped dripping. I already put 2 other cups over here so I can carefully move this off to the side. And this is the part where you gotta just be really careful. Don't want to drop it. Okay, there we go. Now I gotta be really careful not to knock into it either. All right, I'm pretty excited about this. Look at these crazy designs. So we wouldn't get these really doing any other technique because it's not possible. It's going through the holes for the eyes, going through the holes for the nose, and then it's kind of a funky shape that it's dripping off. Let's go ahead and tilt this. Just being really careful. I'm going a little more to my right so that I avoid the mask, of course. That would be really sad if I accidentally dripped on there. Wow, this is really cool. There we go. I think this painting is a perfect candidate for a peacock embellishment, actually. Probably from this direction over here, like this would be the bottom of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let these dry for a little bit, mainly the mask. The canvas will take a few days to dry, but the mask will probably be dry in just a couple hours. So I'll come back in just a couple hours and we'll take a look at the close-up on both of these. Okay, so coming in for the close-up. So this is a painting, obviously not dry, but we have some super cool reactions in there. Look how awesome that is. And this is the direction I think it should go. And I would add a peacock in there. And over here we have the mask, which is mostly dry. So it will not be changing from this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time.